how many stores can you have on Shopify? Hi guys, in this video I'll tell you how many stores you can have on Shopify. So let's get started. So if you just simply come over here onto Google and just simply type how many stores can I have on Shopify, it'll tell you can have 10 stores over here on Shopify. So what that means is you can have 10 stores on your Shopify store within your free account, within any account actually. So right now I'll have the free trial, but I can have multiple stores and test it out. So as you can see, it costs you $19 for the basic one, and that is the one that I recommend, and it is most popular because that is the one plan that everyone gets. So just simply buy this plan for $1 for 3 months. It's basically free, and you can just test it out and see for yourself if you have the need to actually have more than 1 or 2 stores, because usually people don't, but you can test it out. Now, in order for you to see whether or not it's working, just simply log out or switch out from your stores, click on my stores, click on all stores, and over here you will have a list of all the stores that you have, and over here you can manage and create new stores as well. So just simply click on create store, and over here just say that fill out this form. I'm already selling, yada, yada, yada. Choose whichever store you want. Choose whichever platform you want, whichever platform you're currently using to sell your products, and you are good to go. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and skip it. And I have an online store and products I buy myself and all of that. And then you are good to go. And then all you have to do is choose your account. So my email is this one. It's a weird email because I'm using temporary mail to get an email. I use that to create different accounts for these types of videos. You can use that as well if you want to test it out, but I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, once you've selected the email, you are good to go. Then you will have multiple stores on your account. And it will say it is now building your store and you are good to go. So right now, as you can see, it's almost done. And there you go. So your store is ready. Now let's go ahead and take a look at all the stores that I have. And over here, it should be 2 stores. There you go. So now you can have multiple stores, and you can have up to 10 stores on Shopify. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it educational. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.